not a game, it's a rich thing.
10 lines essay on Save Trees. Trees are an important for human life. Trees give us oxygen to live. Trees purify our environment. They provide food. The trees are one of the biggest sources of food. Trees provide us with wood, medicines, habitat for birds, and shelters for animals in the forests. Trees are the reason for good rainfall. They prevent soil erosion and reduce pollution. The effects of the tree cutting can be seen in climate changes. Global warming is a direct effect of unnecessary tree felling. Forest fires are one of the significant causes of tree destruction, and urgent steps are needed to prevent it. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.